If you face any difficult on Google Contact Sync feature means, then you can use this method. Hey guys, in this video let me share you how to transfer contacts from one Android phone to another Android phone without the help of Google account. So firstly you have to open the dedicated contacts application. Here it is, open it, and there click on the organize tab. So at the bottom on the right side you can see this organize tab, click on this. So from this old device I want to transfer all the contacts to this new Android device. So firstly in the old device, in the organize section, click on this export to file option. Now just click on the save option. Now the contacts.vcf file has been saved. Now just to find out this contacts.vcf file in your files manager, you can share that file via any medium like WhatsApp or using Gmail or using Bluetooth, but I am using the Android quick share feature. So now I am received that contacts.vcf file and it's stored under downloads folder. Now in this new Android phone, just to go to the same contacts application and click on the organize tab. Now here click on import from file. Here it shows where to save the imported file. Just to select your Google account if you have. And now here you can see the contacts.vcf file, click on that. Now all the contacts will be imported shortly with your Google account, but we not use the Google account to transfer the contacts. But if you want to save all the contacts in Google account means, during the import the file you have to do that. So now all the contacts has been added into the new Android phone. So now in this way you can transfer the contacts from old Android phone to new Android phone. If you face any difficult on Google Contact Sync feature means, then you can use this method.